Welcome to dotcom Builders. In this video, I will share with you how to remove your credit card on Hostinger. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to Billing and select Payment Methods. And here you will see your credit card on file. So to remove your credit card on Hostinger, it's simple. Just click on this little arrow and click on this remove button. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger web hosting online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, how to set up your WordPress website and configure it, how to customize your WordPress website, SSL, security, privacy, email setup, launch and index your website, speed and performance optimization, how to use Lightspeed Cache plugin, and also how to manage your files, databases, and backups. To get all of this today for free, plus my other online courses like Hostinger Website Builder or Hostinger License, just join dotcom Builders Academy from this link, academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this video. And click on this remove button. Currently, you are only having one payment method. By removing, you have to renew the service manually. Yes, I know this. Hit remove. And just like that, no more credit card is registered on Hostinger. And this is how to remove your credit card for unwanted payments or renewals on Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.